The 7 key principles of art are balance, contrast, emphasis, movement, pattern, rhythm, and unity. Today, we're exploring rhythm, the art principle that makes your eyes dance across a painting. Think of it like the beat in your favorite song, but for your eyes. First, what is rhythm? It's the visual tempo created by repeating elements like lines, shapes, colors, or forms. It can make a static image feel dynamic, like it's moving or pulsing. A great example is Vincent van Gogh's Wheat Field with Cypresses from June 1889. There are several types of rhythm. Regular rhythm, where elements repeat predictably, like a heartbeat. Might we learn to see the rhythm in the world the way Van Gogh did? Another form is alternating rhythm, which switches between 2 patterns, as seen in Grant Wood's Fall Plowing, 1931. Progressive rhythm, where elements change gradually in size or color, like in Wood's Young Corn. The rolling hills and repeating rows of crops build a progressive rhythm, making the landscape feel alive and expansive. And check out Robert Delaney's Rhythm Number 1. The curving, repeating lines and colors create a flowing rhythm that feels like dynamic motion. Random rhythm creates a more organic, unpredictable feel, like in Rhythm, 1912 by Delaney. These aren't just pretty pictures. They show how rhythm can communicate ideas, like harmony in nature or the chaos of a stormy night. A great example is Van Gogh's Starry Night over the Rhone, a painting of Arles at night. Rhythm isn't just in art, it's in life. What rhythms do you notice around you? Take the time to look.